Have you ever wondered why are some countries rich while others stay poor? It is not luck, it is not culture, it is the system. In Why Nations Fail, the authors argue that nations succeed when they build inclusive institutions, systems that give people equal rights, opportunities, and voice in politics. They says that these kind of institutions create or unlock innovation, growth, and prosperity. On the other side, those nations who have extractive institutions where wealth and the power are controlled by a few members of the society. They trap the people in poverty. Think of the colonial empires, dictatorships, or corrupt states that block the progress to protect their own power. So the key message of this book is that prosperity is not about geography or culture. It is all about the institutions. So countries rise or fall depending on whether they exploit or empower their people. I have dropped the full summary of this book on my YouTube channel. Go and check it out. My link is in the bio. Thank you.